Greece is grappling with a catastrophic wave of wildfires, which have been sweeping across various regions, leaving a trail of destruction in their wake. The fires, fueled by a combination of extreme heat waves and dry conditions, have forced thousands to evacuate their homes and prompted a nationwide state of emergency. Residents have described scenes of chaos and despair as flames engulfed their communities, reducing homes and forests to ashes. The Greek government has prioritized evacuations, but the speed and intensity of the fires have posed significant challenges. Tragically, several lives have already been lost, and the full extent of the damage is yet to be assessed. Environmental experts warn that these fires are symptomatic of broader climatic changes affecting the Mediterranean region. The frequency and severity of such wildfires are expected to increase as global temperatures rise, underscoring the urgent need for comprehensive climate action.